Evening, guys. Today we are back with another problem. Before starting this problem, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to this particular problem, and like, share, and subscribe to this particular channel. So today's problem is a problem on finding the maximum subarray sum. We have to find maximum. We have to find maximum subarray sum. Okay, so this is an important problem of the GFG POTD. What we can see carefully is that we will be given, suppose, an array 1, 2, 3, -2, and 5. Okay, so while I'm doing the sum, I have to calculate the sum and keep a track of it. So if my sum is like this, so 1 plus 2 is now 2. Okay, 2 plus 3, so this becomes 5. Okay, now 5 plus -2. If I take 5 plus -2, I'll get a 3. 2 plus is 3. Okay, 3 plus 3, I'll get a 6, and 6 plus -2, I'll get a -4. Okay, and so when I'm doing the sum of the elements, after this I'll be adding a plus value of 5, so I can take 9. Okay, like this. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to keep on adding the elements. I have to keep on adding the elements and have to do the sum. So if I do the sum like this, what I can see is 1, 2, and 3, 6, 5, 11. Okay, -2. So I will get a sum of 9 like this. Okay, let us try something else. Let us try something else and see it works or not. So if I have -1, -2, -3, and -4. So in this example, my first sum is -1. Okay, now I'm adding -1 and -2. This will become -3. Now, after that -3 and -3, so I'll get a -6, and -6 and -4, I'll get a -10. So which is my maximum value out of all this? -1, obviously. So the answer is -1. Now let us do another one. 5, 4, and 7. So 5 plus 4, I'm getting a 9. Okay, and 9 plus 7, I'll get a 16. Okay, I will get a 16. So my maximum subarray sum is 16. Maximum subarray sum basically tells that you have to find the subarray to a particular point, and then you have to take the maximum of that sum. It can be achieved with the help of Kadane's algorithm. Okay, so let us go with the coding and implementation part. So I have this. What I can take is I can take a global value equals to array of 0. I can take the current sum equals to array of 0. Okay, so I'll be traversing my loop from 1 to array dot length plus plus. My first condition is finding the sum. So my sum is equals to math dot max of array of I and sum plus array of I. Okay, I found the sum carefully and nicely. Now my problem statement demands that I have to check it with a global sum. So if my sum is greater than the global sum, what I can say, my global value is equals to the present sum. Okay, and I can easily return my global value. Okay, so let us compile this problem statement. So we have solved this problem statement using Kadane's algorithm. So this comes under a medium. They have said it's an easy problem if you know the algorithm, if you know how it works. So like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you guys check out the playlist available. Thank you.